While numerous factors determine the economic standing of a city, the most visual indication of growth is the number of infrastructural developments. Kenya is among the leading construction hubs in sub-Saharan Africa, and the mega construction projects in Kenya will help boost future growth of the country's economy. Nairobi Expressway, being one of the major projects ever to happen in Kenya, is a 27 kilometers tall road connecting JKIA, which is the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, through Nairobi CBD all the way to Westlands area. The official opening of this road in June 2022 raised hopes of faster transit in a city notorious for traffic jams, reducing travel time from the south to the west of Nairobi to about 20 minutes from 2 hours during the peak hours. However, the constructions of Nairobi Expressway led to damages of the lower deck. This is the stretch between Mombasa Road to Waiyaki Way. The contractor was supposed to rehabilitate the damaged road, but this hasn't happened to the satisfaction of motorists 10 months down the line. Plans are now underway to upgrade the old Mombasa Road to the standards of Nairobi Expressway in a 24.8 billion Kenya shillings project that will see new footbridges and pedestrian paths constructed. Speaking 2 months ago, Kenha Director General Kungu Ndung'u said that the constructions will start soon after the repair of the section of the road destroyed during the construction of Nairobi Expressway is complete. In today's video, I'm gonna be driving you through a section of Mombasa Road and Waiyaki Way just for you to see the current conditions of the road, and as I do that, I want us to have a conversation down below. Do you think it was worth adding the 24.8 billion Kenya shillings for the repair of the old road? Or do you think this is going to be a burden to the taxpayers? I want us to have a conversation down below, guys. And if you think so, then what happened to the 9 billion Kenya shillings allocated for the same job a few months ago? Finally, why do you think this rehabilitation process has taken decades to be complete? So guys, let's have a conversation. I know through your feedbacks and comments, we're going to get a solution for this problem. Is it a problem? Yeah, let's have a conversation, guys. So thank you so much. If you're here for the first time, my name is Dolphin254. I do infrastructural development videos, city tours, and real estate. So if you haven't subscribed, just take your 1 minute, subscribe, support your girl, okay? Subscribe, like, and share. So stay tuned. Let's do this.
Son of Dutch.
Alien. Excellent. Angisema tandweni na emalinge njabule. Angisema tandweni na emalinge njabule. Sema tandweni
Yes, Ratazaga, Mateva Yoto, Ratazaga. Ompana que le happy que marato, ompana que cloa que marato, lezaka que marato, leñoco que marato, lezaka que marato, leñoco que marato, warata orate zaga, warata orate rataño. Ompana que le happy que marato, ompana que cloa que marato, lezaka que marato, leñoco que marato.
Angisema tandwe nina.
Sema tandwe.
Imalingeza njabule.
Yachagula.
Angisema tandwe nina.
Sema tandwe.
Imalingeza njabule.
Yachagula.
Sema tandwe nina mali. Sema tandwe nina mali. Sema tandwe nina mali. Sema tandwe nina mali.
Songo new, son of Dutch.
Alien. Excellent. Angisema tandwe nina. Imalingeza njabule. Angisema tandwe nina. Imalingeza njabule. Sema tandwe nina mali. 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 Sema tandwe nina mali.
Yes, Ratazaga, Mateva Yoto, Ratazaga. Ompona ke le happy ke marato Ompona ke klowa ke marato Lezaka ke marato Lenyoko ke marato Lezaka ke marato Lenyoko ke marato Warata orate zaka Warata orate ratanyo Ompona ke le happy ke marato Ompona ke klowa ke marato Lezaka ke marato Lenyoko ke marato
Angisema tandweni na
Sema tandwe
Imalingeza njabule
Yachangula
Angisema tandweni na
Sema tandwe
Imalingeza